you got your brand new vehicle, right? Surely it's got a good car alarm in it built in. I mean, they give you this remote, paid a small fortune to own this vehicle. I know I got top of the line factory security systems. So you're wondering if you actually do not have what you think you have. You might be surprised. So stay tuned for this video. I'm going to teach you how you can find out for sure what your vehicle has. So this is our test vehicle. This is the 2018 Chevy Silverado All-Star, and I'm going to use this as my test dummy to see what factory security system is present or not present in this vehicle. If your vehicle has one of these LED indicators on your instrument cluster or your dash panel like I'm showing here, don't trust that. If you see an instrument cluster LED, theft deterrent, or a security light, something like that in your instrument cluster, that does not guarantee that you have a factory alarm either. Sometimes they just look nice and scary to people. Here's how it works. This one here comes with a factory transmitter. I mean, they all look a little bit different, but basically they all have the same gist. Lock, unlock, and panic. So panic you use to hold and find your vehicle. Unlock and lock is pretty self-explanatory. On most vehicles, you hit lock one time and you get one light flash to visually confirm that your doors are locked. If you hit the same button again, you get another one, and you get a honk, like that. Now, most people think if they hit it the first time, it just acts as a convenience system, and their keyless entry is engaged. If they hit it again, then their Fortress security system becomes engaged, and they're unstoppable. So, the way to test this is to open your driver door window, arm the system so that way you hear that horn honk, wait about 30 to 60 seconds. I'm just going to leave 60 seconds for my illustration. Once that time elapses, you're just going to reach your hand in there, unlock the door. Don't use the button, by the way. Use your finger. Manually unlock it. You're going to reach in there, grab your handle, and open the door. If this thing does, in fact, have a factory alarm system, you're going to hear the horn honk. The typical honk, honk, honk kind of a deal. Now, most vehicles are not going to become equipped with shock sensors, audio sensors, tilt sensors, motion sensors, anything like that, because understand this is not an aftermarket alarm system. Most vehicles come with this just because they have to do it. Most people expect this. That's why you have it, not because you paid a premium. Don't trick yourself into believing that you have something that you might not actually have just because of the price of the premium that you paid to have the privilege of driving a vehicle like this. So I'm just going to open the door. So there's your security system. There's your security system. This vehicle does not have one, and that's all there is to it. So if this vehicle wanted to have a passive alarm system, I mean, there is technically one in the transponder portion of the key, but that is too late, because once you get in there and into the vehicle to work on the transponder part of the security system, you're already in the car. At that point, your wallet, your purse, whatever it is, your personal items are already gone. So what's the point in having full security of an alarm system that doesn't exist in the first place? So this one here does not have an alarm system in it, unfortunately. However, stay tuned because soon I'm going to create another video on a new F-150 where I'm going to do a factory upgrade alarm system utilizing the factory remote. So you just hit the same buttons and it's going to engage a second layer of aftermarket alarm security on top of the existing factory remote called a factory enhancement alarm system, essentially. So if that's interesting to you, come on back, hit the little bell that notifies you when I have a new video out to watch. Give that a look, and I think that would be a good one. So, there you have it. Just as some bonus material information if you're all interested. If you have a factory alarm system and it's acting up, the quickest and best way I've ever found to disengage these systems is to simply take your key, insert it into the driver's door, and turn it to the unlock position 2 times. That will quiet the noise. Little bit of information there for you.